So when I showed these to my girlfriend, she liked them so much that she wanted to use them all the time. Only problem with that is that they're not really like this style of glass doesn't fit my hand very well. Like she has nice, dainty, flowery hands, and I have big lug hands that are not as conducive. So then I found these, and these are much nicer for me. My big meat hook hands can actually wrap around these things, and I can actually enjoy my drink. I can do it with the added bonus of the strange, ridiculous, and kind of cool shark inside.